In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark up in Bluebeam Cloud. Now first, you want to sign into your Bluebeam Cloud on app.bluebeam.com, and from here you want to go to Documents, top left, and then you want to go into My Documents. Here is where you can upload your documents using this upload button, selecting it and clicking on Open. When you do this, you can simply click on a specific document. In this case, I have a floor plan PDF, which is just like a sample PDF over here, and to actually mark it up, you can use these tools over here on the left. Okay, so up top you have this kind of tool chest or toolbox over here where you have a bunch of different things, but then down here you can see like a lot of different stuff. This basic is just the cursor, which allows you to basically move around, select things, etc. And then if you go into more depth, here you have like these markup tools which allow you to basically create like different shapes where you can go ahead and basically mark something up. So these are like clouds. You could go ahead and move them around, you can spin them, you can change their colors, etc. Then you have this thing over here which allows you to basically kind of do a freeform shapes over here as well. So you could do like for example rectangles over here. You could go and change it into different objects, etc. using these kind of yellow circles over here and stuff like this. Okay, then you have this A button here which allows you to just basically add some text in there. So as you can see, I've just added some text over here, and that's essentially what that does. Then you have this option here which will allow you to put on arrows. So you can put on arrows anywhere you want, you can change their colors, etc. You have this option which will kind of be like a call out. So if you want to, for example, like call out this, I could go and draw it over here, and then here I can type something like this is, etc. And again, you can go ahead and of course edit this when you click on it, and this text as well. You can change sizes, colors, etc. Then you have this markup option which will be kind of a highlighter, and with this one you can go and highlight whatever you want. So if you need like to draw, you could do that. You could go ahead and change the opacity, and you could actually make it like a highlight for some text, etc. And then you also have the image option which will allow you to put on an image into your project. Okay, so if I open up my logo over here, it's going to essentially load in my logo here onto my page. Okay, and I'll be able to then go ahead and place it on, etc. So that's essentially how this works. Last but not least, you have these measurements. If you click on a measurement over here, if you have set your scale correctly, you'll be able to then measure different things just like this. As you can see, it's added in a measurement over here and it's actually showing. And then, yeah, that's essentially how to mark up in Bluebeam Cloud. Now over here at the bottom, you can see all your pages inside your document. Then you also have this option in the top right over here, which allows you to see all the markups currently on your page. So we could go and click on a specific one and it's going to highlight it here on your document, and you can see of course what's going on. You can leave comments, you could go ahead and like review them, migrate them, etc. And yeah, stuff like that. So that's essentially how you can mark up on Bluebeam Cloud. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.